at the AlphaNorth Capital Conference, and I'm with Jordan Trimble of MPH Ventures and with Steve Marshall, who's the president of Travelucion. Jordan, please start us off with telling us about MPH Ventures.
Yeah, so MPH Ventures was an inactive shell the last few years, actually a mining issuer. We were looking for projects and businesses to get involved with, and we identified an opportunity with Steve's business. It's a private company based in Spain right now. Trades on the TSXV Venture. It's 33 million shares out. It's a tight structure, insiders own a large portion of the stock, about 10 million of the 33 million. We identified an opportunity just over a year ago after Obama made the announcement that the US and Cuba were going to normalize diplomatic relations. What we saw there was a travel industry in Cuba that's a multi-billion-dollar industry currently with travel restrictions for Americans still in place. But what we've seen over the last year is tourism, American tourism to the island has increased almost 40% as the travel restrictions dissipate. So there's a huge opportunity here whereby you're going to see a lot more American travelers going to the island, and you have a trade embargo that's still in place. American corporations are actually still prohibited from doing any business in Cuba. If you look at the online travel space, the majority of the companies that dominate the space are American. More Americans are going down there, more people are going there, quite frankly, yet you don't have any of the largest players, any of the largest competitors potentially, which are American, operating, servicing that segment of the market. We see this as an opportunity to build the business up, try to monopolize as much as we can in Cuba, whether it's hotels, car rentals, specialty tourism like medical tourism, ecotourism, and ultimately look to position the company to be sold to a large travel company. Presumably when the embargo does eventually get lifted, you'll see an Expedia or a Priceline or an Airbnb come in, and they'll be interested in not just the online booking component, but also the traffic that the websites we're buying that are in Steve's company, the traffic that they generate.
Yeah, so tell us about Travelucion and how this partnership is going so far.
Right, well, Travelucion is a company that has 432 websites that were created from the mid-90s until this present year. Each website covers different topics. We have Cuba restaurants. We have, just about any topic related to Cuba has been created over an 18-year period. Obviously, with the increased interest from the United States, we're seeing a massive increase in visitors looking for information about Cuba. These are websites that were created over such a long period of time that they've become very popular, they're high ranked on search engines, and they continue to provide the information that people are looking for. Our focus has always been to have a website per topic. That's why there are 432 websites, okay? It's never been to have one portal that looks at Cuba from a single foot.
And Jordan, anything that you can mention about potential growth in 2016?
Just on the valuation of it, Steve's business in 2013 did just over 300,000 Canadian. In 2015, it increased dramatically to about 2 million Canadian in sales. We're projected to do about 5 or 6 million this upcoming year. I will note, going back, the public vehicle, which is MPH, has a market capitalization right now of 3 million, so very attractively valued for the investor looking to get exposure to Cuba and to this business we'll be acquiring.
All right, well, both of you, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.